All right, so the question was asked, can I view the same guided notes that students view? So the way we've used this in the past is for any student to get a retake, we have to have evidence that they're making an effort to learn the material, which is in the form of notes. So if they failed the quiz twice and they need a retake, I have to see notes to do that. So you can see that I'm on a student right now. I don't know how to pull up her specific notes, but I do know that if I go to course structure, under courses, course structure, in course structure, for example, I'm going to go down to a course that I know has guided notes. Not all courses do. I know that U.S. history does have guided notes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on U.S. history. I click on U.S. history. I can see that that lesson, if they were on Dred Scott and slavery, the slavery debate, does have guided notes. I'll go down further. If they're on presidential and radical reconstruction, I will click on guided notes, and that will give me the same view that that student has.